say it again. Get in the bag. Hey, yo, so what's good, man? Today we're talking about those two videos that you just saw, two little animation clips, and that was Reese's Pieces. Shout out to Reese's Pieces. I don't like to share my Reese's Pieces. And a Skittles. I don't really eat Skittles that much anymore. I'm a grown man, so I have dental needs that will not allow me to gobble down Skittles like I used to back in the day. Reese's Pieces and Skittles. Why would I even do that? Well, the goal was to, make something that's usable for a company. That's the whole goal. A lot of people make a lot of content, and it's just based off of emotion. But coming from a B2B environment, which is business to business, you notice that there isn't a lot of room for randomness, I should say. Randomness. So even in the randomness of just buying a Skittles and buying a Reese's, in my mind, I knew that I would try to make something that could possibly be used by the companies that I was doing these things for. So I wanted to make it kind of simple for myself. Eventually, I want to attack SaaS businesses. Don't give me no SaaS. And SaaS is basically software as a service. If you're looking for a job and trying to, get the most bang for your buck, I would say try, especially if you're a salesman, good talker or something like that, I would say try the SaaS industry, because software as a services is exactly what 2020 and beyond is about. Yeah, man. The Reese's thing. The Reese's was cold. The Reese's was in the freezer. I usually like to put it in the freezer. This is real life stuff. I wanted to put it in the freezer and get it cold and eat it with my coffee. And that's what I did. I just recorded, the part of it being in the freezer. And what was cool about that was that I actually had some people from Reese's respond. I'm gonna put the screenshot up here right now so you can see it. And that was on TikTok. So that's important. That's a big thing. That's something to note, because you can get responses basically from the people that you need to talk to about them using your services. You know what I'm saying? So that's why you have to limit the randomness of the videos. The Skittles video, Skittles. First off, I just like using colors, and the Skittles bag had so many colors on it. I was just like, I have to do something with this. And the Skittles thing was pretty cool. Kind of had the Skittles closed. Then, as you can see, it started opening and opening and opening, and until it was open. The Skittles bag then realized that it's been compromised. It turns into a monster, roar, and it eats the Skittles bag. And at the end it says "get in the bag," and that is in the bag is like a slang term right now. And it basically means that you're, doing what you need to do. You're in your bag. You have a repertoire of skills or a repertoire of abilities that will help you to move forward, essentially. You know what I'm saying? So it was really cool working on both projects. Skittles did not reach back to me yet, but I actually made a little ad on YouTube just to see what kind of traction I would get from it, if people would go to the site from it, I just want to make the moves that I attempt to do with animation. Got to make those moves super intentional, you know. So I'm not gonna be the animator that just makes up a lot of random stuff. Everything will have a purpose and direction, and able to be tracked back to a thought, which is why I like doing these kind of processes out. And I think that's pretty much it, man. Reese's Pieces, need me 3, even though 2 come in a pack. Need 3, 2 in a pack. Chocolate goodness, great for a snack. That's okay. That's okay. Let's go Skittles. Skittles, riddle me with colors. Riddle me with colors. Riddle me with colors. Taste like greatness. Taste buds. Take shifts to experience goodness or greatness, but I'm gonna go with goodness. Goodness of Skittles. So, boom, there you have it, man. Reese's, Skittles, purpose, intention. Remember that. Remember to be intentional. Remember to have purpose. Remember to have fun. You know, these were both fun to make, and they were a part of everyday life. I ate those Skittles, you know, and I ate that Reese's, and they were both really good. So it makes sense. I might do something with McDonald's, Burger King, or Chick-fil-A coming up soon, just because, you know, those are brands that can use animation to emphasize their message, essentially.
So escape, we gotta escape. We're free. We're free. We gotta hit again.
Get in the bag.